Hey, so right now I'm going to show you a new technology that I haven't used before, but my wife has, and she said it's pretty great. It's called FlipGrid, and FlipGrid uses students making a video response or being able to answer questions through a video format, and then makes a grid for all students to be able to see, be able to comment, be able to interact with. That can be done in class or out of class. They can be pretty short. So I'm going to walk you through how to make one. This also uses a Google login when you register. So and I made a class for my STEM class, and so then you go in and you can create a new topic. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. You just pick a topic title, so you could do class reflection 12:3. Okay, you could put a tip to help answer the question, or you could put what are Newton's three laws? So you give them a max time to record the video. You decide when it's going to be going out. You ask your question, or you give a little bit more information, and then you choose anything you have. When it's going to be frozen, when it's going to stop, how long you want it to go, anything you can add some resources. You can add a video yourself, add a YouTube video, an image, whatever you need to, or any attachments. There are lots of things you can do to add to your FlipGrid. So then you have feedback here at the bottom. You have basic and custom. Then you kind of choose on how you want to grade this and how you want it to work. And then kind of that. So then you hit create topic. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm going to go back because I already made one. So for this one, I have class reflection for 11:30. So students are able to go and make a video, so I can view their video. So my wife showing me how to do it, and how all that works. So let's go over here and make a video. And so to get in here, they go to flipgrid.com and they can type in the code that is provided to you. It should come up and it'll just say enter flip code. You have to click right there. They type in that number and it takes them to something like this, which lets them join the class. Or there are other, they can join the class here, and there's introductions and they can add their flip here. So if I'm going to record, it will show me, sorry, I'm sitting on the floor in our workroom because there's basketball games. And so it counts down. We talk about class and the reflection that happened. If I want to add a sticky note, I can say that I really like this topic. And then I can drag and drop that wherever. And then when I'm ready to be done, oh, but it's still going. And when I'm ready to begin, I hit stop and then I hit next. Okay. At this point, I can add a title, um, reflection, or anything else I want to add here. I can add an attachment if I have a paper. I'm like talking about a paper, talking about a presentation, that can go in here as well. And when I'm ready, I hit next. I can make the video shorter or longer as well. And I can cut stuff out if I would like to. Hit next. And then at this point, you take a picture for your cover. Ooh, that's bad. And then you can add sticky notes. You can add these little stickers on there just to kind of make it look a little bit more attractive. The students really enjoy this part. I don't know, a bird, just cause. Put that on my shoulder. And so then if I want to write anything, I can do as well. When I am ready, I just hit submit. Takes about 2 seconds. It says congratulations. Hit complete, and now both of those are on there. When students go in, sorry, I forgot what it is already. 548. when students go in, they can go and see the grids that are already there, and oh, I messed up. I don't know why I just didn't. Let's just copy and paste it because that's easier. Oh, there it goes. So you can make it bigger so all the students can see. You can also, there's an app where students can download it and are able to get in and just do it on their phone or do it on an iPad in the classroom. So it's prompting me to get in, and this would be joining the class as well. So I'm not going to do that. So this is just a quick little thing about FlipGrid. The two standards that I found that it works well. For the teachers, it's 5A, use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experience that foster independent learning and accommodate learner differences and needs, as well as 5B, design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards, and use digital tools and resources to maximize active deep learning. And then for students, I thought 6C, students communicate complex ideas clearly and effectively by creating or using a variety of digital objects such as visualizations, models, and stimulations. So they're able to really answer and do assignments on this as well, which works really well. So that's FlipGrid pretty quickly.